How to send money to a friend on Venmo. First, open Venmo and go to the main or home screen. Step 2. Tap Pay or Request. Tap Pay Request at the bottom of the screen. Venmo's current instructions specifically start here. Step 3. Find your friend. Use the search bar to search for your friend by name, Venmo username, phone number, or email address. Then tap the correct person. Step 4. Enter the amount. Enter how much you want to send. For example, $25. Step 5. Add a note. Tap the note or description field and enter what the payment is for. For example, dinner. The note is optional. And then tap Pay. Once you check the recipient, amount, and note, tap Pay. Before confirming, make sure absolutely everything is correct. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.